Hi, I'm Gabs Pineda and I'm your TPTV host. Today, we are here at the Asian Institute of Management as we are sponsoring the 10 Outstanding Students of the Philippines or TOSP. TOSP honors the outstanding students of the nation who have personified academic excellence, exemplary leadership, and deep sense of social responsibility anchored on good moral values. TOSP's mission is to establish role models that will galvanize our young people into action and help bring about total human and economic development in the nation.
Hi, so what is TOSP already?
TOSP is actually a family, a community of people aims to build the nation. And I'd also like to quote one of our alumnus, Herbert Bautista, from batch 2007. He said that TOSP is a community not of credentials, but of what is essential. So that is 10 outstanding students of the Philippines.
Thank you. Hi, so what can you say about the partnership of Teleperformance and TOSP?
As chair of TOSP NCR, we're always on the lookout to partner with organizations that share the same vision and mission with us, that really want to look into, how do we impact the nation and how do we help move the movement of nation building forward. And we're very grateful and very happy to have found Teleperformance this year, given that number one, their vision and their mission themselves resonate with TOSP's mission as well. And number two, they have a proven track record of creating impact across the nation as well. We're looking forward to a long-term partnership with Teleperformance over the next few years with TOSP at the front of nation building.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We hope you got inspired by the words of the future leaders of the Philippines. Stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe! Want to join us at Teleperformance? Call our 24-hour toll-free hotline. Dial hashtag 8353 from any landline or cell phone. Remember, it's hashtag 8353.